gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, we will be doing another street interview, guys. We will be asking Filipinas here in the province of Camarines or Bicol, Philippines, if a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger? So let's find out, guys. Come on. So we have here two beautiful Filipinas from the province of Kamsur. What's your name again?
Daisy po.
Daisy. Nice to meet you, Daisy. Okay, Daisy, are you single?
No po.
No, you're not. Okay. So, Daisy, here's my question. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
No po.
No, why?
Because kapag mahal mo ang isang tao po, kahit sino po yan, kahit foreigner, mas lamang pa rin yung pagmamahal, hindi po yung pagiging gold digger.
Oh, so what she said is if that person really loves the foreigner or even Filipino, whoever, it's what do you call this, like she's not a gold digger. She won't consider that person as a gold digger because she loves her spouse, right?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and you, what's your name?
Sandra po.
Sandra. Wow. Okay, so Sandra, if Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
No,
No, why?
because hindi naman po nasusukat ng pagmamahal ang pera.
Oh, I don't know how to translate that in English. Help me, Sandra. So, love is not all about money, right? So, as of now, we were having problem with my microphone. It's not working, so we will be just, having this interview without any use of this thing. Okay, so we have your mom. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tere.
Tere. Wow, that's a very cute name. Nice to meet you, ma'am. So, Mom Tere, here's the question. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
No, exactly. Like, no. It's full of judgment lang. And I think, for me as well, I believe. Yeah, I believe.
Universe. Okay.
Okay. I'm so interested with different kinds of culture and learning languages, ganyan. And also, malay mo, finding true love, not a Filipino, but taking chances with a foreigner. Why not, right?
Are you single? You're not married, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
she's
single.
not married. She's single, ready to mingle. And she also has a friend that is single as well.
Yeah.
I told her I'm gonna interview them, so we might come back here.
Yeah.
So-
She's beautiful, charming, talkative also, and fun to be with.
I love that. So, if you have questions, guys, or if you want her Facebook, comment down below. We're gonna answer those. Thank you.
Thank you.
With her, what's your name?
Rika May,
Rika May. And how old are you?
19.
19. Okay. So, Rika May, if a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
No,
No. Why?
because naligaw ko din.
Because even Tagalog, it's fine. Because
Dahil hindi lahat ng Pilipina ay umaasa sa kanilang asawa dahil
okay, so what you said is it's because not all Filipinas are dependent to their husband, right? So meaning, you're trying to say that they can work, right? They can also provide to themselves, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, how about you? What's your name again?
Mila Flor.
Mela Flor. It's a very unique name, Mela Flor. Okay, so Mela Flor, if a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Tagalog wala dati.
Yeah, it's fine. Even it's Tagalog.
Hindi ko na sabihin ka.
Okay, why?
Di, di lahat ng mga foreigner at mga Pilipina nagmamahalan.
Oh, so not all foreigners in Filipinas are in love.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yung hindi umaasa sa asawa na Pilipina dahil porket American o yung lalaki.
Na hindi
Asa,
umaasa?
dapat nagtutulungan each other.
Oh, so what she said is, in marriage, both like husband and wife
Yeah.
supposed to help each other.
Mm.
Not like most of Filipinas, they tend to just be dependent to their husbands. Money, right?
Yeah,
Specifically.
true.
So how can you say that Filipinos are gold digger? Is it based on experience? Like, did you experience that, or like family relatives? No.
No.
And then where did you get that? Where did you heard that? Like,
Um,
from where? From who? Do you have friends that are, gold digger?
like my uncle in Saudi Arabia, may ano siya, may kalibin na foreigner.
Mm.
Like that.
Also, based on your relatives,
Mhm.
that's why you could say that. Okay. So, thank you so much for being honest, okay, in answering these questions. Thank you so much, too. Ate, what's your name?
My name is Lovely po.
Love it. Wow, that's very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Ate. Okay, so Ate, here's the question. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
For me, no.
No. Why?
Because how can you say that she is a gold digger? What if she can still provide for her own?
That's
For her
true.
own needs, diba? Just because a Filipina married a foreigner, that does not mean that he or that she, or it can be he or she is a gold digger.
Ah, that's very beautiful. Thank you.
Right.
Okay, Ate, are you single?
No, taken.
No, you are. You are not. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, Kuya, what's your name, Kuya?
My name is Ryan Melcondat.
Ryan. Okay.
Right.
So, Kuya, here's the question. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
For me, that's no, because from the other perspective of the others, that doesn't mean all the foreigners are all, mayaman,
Rich.
rich. And that doesn't mean that those Filipinos who married the foreigners are such, you can such call
Gold
them
digger.
the gold digger. And for me, for my very own perspective, I can't very truly call them a gold digger. And maybe that's why I respect some OFWs or of the
Oh,
Filipinos who are in
working abroad.
working abroad. Maybe that is all my answer.
So you're trying to say that those Filipinos, especially those that are working abroad, they can actually what do you call this? Like provide, right? Like
Yes.
they're not like just gonna depend to their spouses, right? Especially to foreigners. That's a good answer, just like what you said. Thank you so much, Kuya, and thank you. Salamat. Ate, what's your name?
Judy po.
Judy. Okay, nice to meet you, Judy. Okay, so Judy, here's my question for you. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
No po.
No, why?
Pwede din Tagalog?
Oh, yeah, I will help you. Okay, why? Why do you think Filipinos are not gold digger?
Because hindi naman po lahat ng Pilipina mukhang pera kasi yung iba po sadyang na-inlove talaga sila sa foreigner or mahal nila yung foreign.
Oh, I'm sorry about that noise. But what she said is that not all Filipinas are gold digger because they just fall in love, right? Okay, and what else?
Tap ay ano pa po yung hindi lahat ng mga Pilipina mukhang pera tapos hindi lahat
Okay, not everyone is money face. Like, they're not after their money, right? That's what you
Yes.
said. Okay. So thank you. I mean, do you know anyone that is not a gold digger, like a family or friends? Do you know anyone that is married to a foreigner?
yes
You have a friend that is married to a foreigner?
yes
Wow. So that's very nice. Okay, thank you so much. So we have here a Filipina. What's her name? What's her name?
My name is Kim.
Kim. Wow, that's a very beautiful name. So Kim, this is my question for you. If a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
For me, no.
No. Why?
Kasi if they love each other naman and their feeling is genuine, well then it doesn't make her or him a gold digger.
That's a very beautiful answer. So you don't believe that, like,
No.
no, that they're after their money, right?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Are you single, Kim?
Yes.
Oh wow! So whoever interested, you can comment down below. She is single, and I will ask her Facebook later. So you can comment down below.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank
Kim.
you.
Thank you. So Kuya, what's your name?
I'm Edward. Joy.
Edward. Okay. So Kuya, here is the question: if a Filipina marries a foreigner, does that make her a gold digger?
It will depend on the Filipino women.
Okay. Like what? Like how?
By their own perspective, such as if they are seeking love or just a material things for a foreign national.
So it depends.
Depends on the person.
Okay, so you can tell if they are really after their money or not, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it depends. That's it. Okay, so thank you so much, Kuya.